Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Autoclicker in Roblox. The Roblox is popularly known for its gaming and customization program. The general purpose of the Roblox Autoclicker is to stimulate clicks while playing Roblox. Using this automated clicking feature, you can stay online without actually being active. You won't have to click repeatedly, and it also helps giving rest to your fingers and arm. Let's look how to use Autoclicker for Roblox. It is incredibly simple and fast to learn to use any of Roblox Autoclickers. If you are struggling or have any doubt about how to use it, just follow the steps below. Step number 1. Download and install Autoclicker to your system from any of the top 5 Autoclicker sites. Step number 2. Select the required time interval. The time interval in the time gap between your automatic clicks. It can be from milliseconds, seconds, minutes, and even hours. Step 3. Then you will need to choose which mouse button you want to click, which can be left, middle, or right. Select any one of them as per your choice. In the fourth step, after that, you will need to select the type of clicks from single, double, or triple. Many auto clicker applications have two type techniques, single and double click. Those who get triple clicks are very rare. In the fifth step, now you have to set the number of clicks you want. Here either you can set clicks by putting a number, or you can set it as repeat until stop. It will only stop when you click on the stop button. In the sixth step, then you have to guide your mouse cursor where you actually want your click. Else you can set your mouse cursor by pixel location to land your clicks at a certain point. In the seventh step, now you are all set to use auto clicker in Roblox. You can start your auto clicker by simply pressing a start button, or many auto clickers have a hotkey F6 to start and stop the program. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.